Yeah, what's happening? What's that noise? Oh, come on. You gotta be kidding me. I'm just trying to get some sleep. I've been up all day long. Oh, I don't believe this. I've been working the yard and trying to keep the house all nice and tidy, keeping the dogs out and the cats in, and I'm just trying to get some sleep, and I hear that beeping. Where's it coming from? Oh, maybe that's it. Come down here. I need to teach you a lesson, buddy. All right, let me take this blowback. I think it's probably let me take this thing out of here. Come on, get out of there. Come on, get out of there. Come on. What? I don't believe this. It's still going. Hey, maybe it's coming from the bathroom. Wow, why is there toothpaste on the sink? I don't know when that lives here. What's happening? Well, I should start flushing the toilet. It stinks in here. All right, here you go. Get down. Get off that ceiling. Get off that. Oh, well, didn't mean to drop it, but it's still going? Well, maybe it's this one. All right. Come on. Come on. I don't believe that thing's too high up. I play basketball for crying out loud. You be able to jump up there and get that. Let me get a broom. Yeah, a broom should help. Which one? Oh, here it is. Okay. All right. Here you come. Get down. Get down. Okay. Okay, what's happening? It's still going? Maybe it's one of the neighbors. I don't believe this. Been up all day just trying to get some sleep when the neighbors are trying to keep me up with that beeping sound. Okay, well, it's not from that side. It's not coming from the street. Maybe it's coming from this tree. Why would it be coming from the tree, though? Okay. Man, well, how's it possible that somebody at home all day could be this tired? I don't get this. Well, it's a pretty warm night. The moon's out. Why is it looking at me? Oh, it's all good. Oh, man, it's pretty warm for winter. Even if it's winter, how come there's no snow? Man, this isn't Florida. I wonder what time it is. 2 o'clock. Man, I wonder what Oprah's doing right now. Okay, what am I thinking about Oprah? Oh, a cat. Oh, I mean a rabbit. Hey, little buddy. I don't know why I thought you were a cat. You're actually a rabbit, a cute little fella. Hey, how's it going? Hey, look at that little cute bunny nose. Come here, fella. Come. What in the world? I'm out here in my PJs. Hey, I still hear the beeping sound. What is that? Hey, wait a minute. What? Low battery? What's up with the stage, yo? I don't believe this. And all that text, what the?